Hello, dear learners. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Physics Lite from an IITian's perspective. So, I'm all here with a new initiative to help out all the students out there who are preparing for IIT JEE, NEET, or board exams, or KVPY, Olympiads, and many more such exams. Also, many of the students are preparing for government job exams in which questions from physics in terms of general science come, and they usually make silly mistakes due to lack of clarity in the concepts. So please be connected with this channel, in which you will be getting most of the relevant content for your exams. Okay, so let's start the journey and enjoy. Hope to see you there.